Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Kim. I'm coming to you today with a project share, and it's a doily book that I made, and I wanted to give a shout out to Karla over at Casey Creates, whose link I will leave in the description box below, because I bought this kit from her and it is an amazing value. I love it. This is my finished product, Karla, if you're watching. And what I did was I challenged myself not to use anything from my stash, just to use the elements of the kit that she sent. And let me just tell you, ladies, the price is extremely affordable. It includes shipping, and you could not put together or buy the supplies to make a doily book like this for less, I promise you. So and what was kind of fun was my bestie Tammy bought the kit also, so it, we had a great time sitting and making our doily books together too. So check Tammy out as well. I'll leave the link below to her channel, which is Tammy the Crafting Disaster, and you can see hers when she puts her video up. So this is the front cover, and I wanted to keep it simple without any images. There's lots of layering, as you can see, with this really delicate doily. There's some applique pieces, a bridal applique with the sequins and little pearls, which I love. You can see we've got lots of dangles hanging down, and believe it or not, this piece of fabric, this sheer, is left over, and I used plenty of it in here, so you will definitely have supplies left over as well. I decided to bind mine using the metal rings because when you tied it with the seam binding, I just felt like it was too floppy. So I just used the metal rings, and then I camouflaged them with these little pieces of crocheted lace and ribbon that were from the kit. So I literally did not use a single thing in here that didn't come with the kit. So when you open it up, your first double spread looks like this. On this page you can see the images, which were also included, of the 3 vintage ladies. So I just did lots of layering with doilies and some beautiful trims. There's bridal applique pieces here, this really pretty piece of bling, another little piece down here in the center of the flower, more dangles on the bottom, and then on this side we've got the vintage woman drinking tea, and then I just hung from a bulb pin another little teacup image that I thought went with this page really well. So the same thing, you've got some pearl trim, layers of doilies and more pearls, and you can see some of the sheer hanging out here. We've got more lace, more trims with sequins, and there's cheesecloth throughout, which I kind of put behind the images. And I used some felt pieces that she sent to just make them more stable. So this is the second page, and then you can see the dangles here on this one. I love this dangle, it's got the flowers on it, just gorgeous. So then when you turn the page, this is the next double page spread, and I put these 2 images together because they seemed more gardeny, and the color schemes were similar. So this is the first one. You've got the image of the gate, which I love. There's cheesecloth, doily, applique pieces, trims, tiny little trims outlining the image, some flowers with the leaves, more dangles here on this page, and then the final page has the little girl. She's kind of like in the forest. And then you can see this awesome huge piece of bling that was in the kit, and I put some of this chiffon ruffled trim underneath it. We've got more layers of trims and pearls and appliques. This was another piece of the kit with these little flowers with the bling centers. I apologize if you hear my dog in the background. More dangles here. So it's just layering and layering the doilies and all the bits until you come up with what you look like. And then I wanted my back cover to mimic the front without an image and just be, all the lace and goodies. So there's, you can see the initial doily under here. Then there's a piece of this sheer and some trims. A ribbon rosette flower here within the bridal applique flower. Another applique piece, and this is that gorgeous dangle with the flowers that come down. I'm just really happy with it, and you believe it or not, it's only 6 pages, but it's a chunky little monkey there. So it, you know, it's just got a lot of luscious goodies, and I really enjoyed playing with all the goodies. And Karla, you put an amazing kit together, and thank you to Tammy. We had such a good time doing these together virtually. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like my doily book, and I will be back soon with another project share. So if you like what you see, please hit the thumbs up button, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe so you'll be in the loop with what I'm up to. Have a great weekend, everybody. Bye bye.